Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed salad. First, choose your greens carefully, opting for varieties like crisp romaine, tender spinach, or a vibrant spring mix. Next, it's crucial to wash your greens thoroughly under cool running water to remove any soil or debris. Finally, ensure your greens are completely dry. A salad spinner works wonders, or you can gently pat them dry with paper towels. This step is essential for a non-soggy salad. Now, let's add some vibrant color and texture with other vegetables. Begin by chopping about 1 cup of firm, ripe tomatoes into bite-sized wedges or halves. Then, slice 1/2 cup of crisp cucumbers into thin rounds or half-moons, adding a refreshing crunch. For a subtle, sharp flavor, finely dice 1/4 cup of red onion. Remember, uniform cuts ensure every bite is perfectly balanced and enjoyable. The dressing and toppings elevate your salad from good to great. A simple homemade vinaigrette, using 3 parts olive oil to 1 part vinegar, is always a fantastic choice. For added texture, consider tossing in about 1/2 cup of crunchy croutons. To boost the flavor profile, sprinkle 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese or perhaps some toasted nuts like pecans or walnuts. These elements truly complete the salad experience. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Combine all your prepared greens, vegetables, and toppings in a large bowl, making sure there's plenty of room for a good toss. Crucially, add your dressing just before you're ready to serve. This prevents the greens from becoming soggy and ensures maximum freshness and crispness. Give it a gentle, thorough toss to evenly coat all ingredients. You can find a link to these and other great deals in the description below. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly mixed salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.